Hey everybody, welcome to the video. So in this one, I wanted to look up a kind of product on Etsy that is just kicking butt. And I don't know much about it because I haven't really done much with it, but I can tell you when I see something like this, I want to do something about it. So I'm going to type this in here, digital planner. So I do a lot of digital files on Etsy, and it's usually printables like artificial intelligence art or wall decor or printable greeting cards or whatever it may be, SVGs, PNGs, all that good stuff. This niche, though, of digital printers, I think, is one of the biggest I've kind of ever seen on Etsy. So let's type that in. Let's go to product analytics. And let's just see how many sales these things are making and kind of have a look at maybe the top three or so. So that is total sales sorted by that. So 19,540. So yeah, I want to look at this one. That store, the listing is 32 months old. It has a whole bunch of, look at the keywords on these. Look at the search volume, digital planner. The search volume, 7,372 per month. So that alone, let me just do some quick calculations. So 7,372 divided by, say, 30 days in a month. 245 searches a day for these things. Can you say high demand? Holy crap cakes. So let's go look at it. And this one is just a whopper of a digital planner. So this says Premium Digital Planner 2023-2024, undated, iPad, Good Notes, Notability, Samsung, Digital Journal, Daily Planner, Planner Digital, dated version 11. Okay, so $7.49. Look at this though. Can you see that? 7,324 reviews. So I'm just going to compare my guesstimate with what they actually said, like 19,000. So yeah, the software is saying like 19,000. I'm saying like if I use my formula, it's about 48,000. So let's just be conservative and go with the lower one. And they're saying total sales is 19,540. Favorites is 55,000. Views are 2.5 million. Reviews, they're behind on the reviews compared to the actual numbers. So it's almost double that. So that, I would say my numbers are actually more accurate than theirs. I'm going to go with mine. What do we have there? We had 7,324 divided by 0.15. Well, let's just say 0.1. No, I can't do that. 7,324 divided by 0.15. 48,000. Oh, I'm going with that. I'm going to assume there's like about 48,000 sales of this. That's $7.49. Wow. $365,000 on this one thing. And it's a digital planner. So what the heck is a digital planner? It's this. It's like a, I'll show you here. Digital file type. My planner's been featured on CNN, Rolling Stone magazine, and paper. Well, maybe that's why it's got so many. Based on the planner's range of features, designed an unrivaled user experience. The all-in-one digital planner has proven to be extremely popular, but the planning community has over, at the time, I guess, 5,500 five-star reviews. Carefully designed to maximize productivity, aid in achieving all the goals that you set for yourself, and ultimately in helping you find balance in your life. This particular data planner has a creative yet functional design backed by a very extensive and smooth network of hyperlinks and buttons to make sure the user experience is front and center. You have a wide range of variations that you can choose to make the planner that fits you and your organizational skills. The builder process is extremely easy, and you can build your customized planner in less than 5 minutes. You're building a planner. Wow, okay. 10,000 includes January to December. Will include January to December 2024. Free future update. Undated planner. 12 daily layout options. 9 weekly layout options. 50,000 hyperlinks. Finance, fitness, nutrition, wellness, productivity. 100 templates. Come with Monday to Sunday. 58,000 plus digital stickers. What? 12 mega sticker packs. Okay, I don't even know what that is. Half the stuff I don't, honestly, I'm not even sure what it is, but 150 plus stunning covers to truly personalize it. Project section, 10 custom notebook sections, 36 note templates, gold binding and free upgrade to back binding. So I guess this is what they have: fitness, finance, nutrition, wellness, productivity, and others. Oh, not designed for use with OneNote, but they have OneNote in the title. Or do they? No, they don't. Okay, so it's not good for OneNote, whatever that is. Not designed for use with mobile phones, except if only using the mobile phone for reference. Not for Kindles or Chromebooks. Spent countless hours with thousands world over. But okay, where do I get my files and purchases, copyright notice, terms and conditions? You may not alter nor share the digital files without anyone, even if not, I guess, for profit or commercial uses. Okay. So, that's pretty cool, just how many they have, but let's go to their shop. Oh yeah, this shop, alright. So they basically have digital planners, stickers, notebooks, printable planners on sale. So I think what they did, and I'm not 100%, but I think they took all their planners and they just bundled them up into one big fat one. And that's how they did it. So let's look at their whole shop here. Let's see what their biggest ones are. So I'm going to analyze their whole shop. 172 listings. Let's go by total sales. So that is their big dog. This one is, what is this? Digital note term paper? Digital note templates. Digital note paper templates. Templates for note taking. Interesting. 3,000 pastel themed note papers. Can be used with any PDF annotation app across virtually any platform. Well, I guess it's just, is it pages? 50 templates, 4 paper textures, 3,000 high resolution PDFs, 21,000 digital stickers. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, it's a whole new world. Student planner, dark mode, digital stickers. So there are like sub niches within here I think you could get into if you wanted. Like sticker book, digital stickers, right? That alone is probably a niche that you could do. Let's see how many reviews are on this. 279. Boho sticker pack. 1,000 pre-cropped stickers across 10 categories. Nice. Tell myself I'm only going to buy stickers once a month. Ooh, so hey, there's one, right? Digital stickers. I like it. So this might be another video, but I'm just going to go real quick because I want to see what comes up here. Okay, so there's a lot of listings with digital stickers. Very cool. And a digital sticker, I'm assuming, is something that you use with a digital planner. So that's cool. All right, so going back here, that's the big dog. That's the one that seems to have the most sales. Now, is there a Facebook group behind that? Is there a community behind that? Is there something driving those sales that we're not seeing? Well, I don't know. That's one store, but let's go to the next one, which has 9,800 sales, and that's this one. And that is about 3 years old. So let's do this too. So 9844 divided by 37 months, 266 per month on average sales. So about 8 per day that they're selling to this one. That's pretty good too. Let's go look at it. And we have the all-in-one digital planner, 4 colors, 128 premium planners, Sunday and Monday start, easy to use. So let's look at what they're offering. Premium quality. Created the planner for GoodNotes pop-up shop. Okay. Quick and easy navigation. Daily planner. weekly pages, monthly pages, nutrition, meal planner, grocery list, recipe book, kitchen inventory, food journal, my projects, my goals, wellness, fitness, finance, and more. And then 10,000 plus pre-crop digital stickers. Okay, so I'm getting a couple ideas here on how I could attack this niche, actually without much difficulty, I think. I think the whole point of a digital planner is it's a PDF with links in it. That's all it is. And all they're doing is taking all these pages, like the weekly, like stuff like the daily, the weekly, the monthly, and then they're putting links on the side. Oh, there's a better look. So link to the day, go to weekly, go to daily, jump between monthly calendar, overview and review, notes, and then the side thing, it's just all links. Like it's a PDF with links. And then I guess you can create them for different planner programs, but like Good Notes. So let's go here. Good Notes, best note-taking app for iPad. Windows pricing, okay. Can I use Good Notes on the PC? Is it free? Good Notes on the blah, 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 blah. Okay, so that's an app that they can use, and I'm guessing you use a little pencil and you can draw on it, all that good stuff. But, so these digital planners are just, it's a huge market. Let's go back here. Let's go like this. How big is the digital planner market? The planning market size is estimated to be between, what is that, is that $1 billion then? The productivity technology industry is estimated to reach 9.27 billion in 2022. Finding the right tool, blah, blah, blah. Is there a market for digital planners? Only if you know how to do it right. This is not only about channeling your inner artist, but making different templates from design, planning, and development to marketing. Things get overwhelming really fast. Are they in demand? Hugely popular, easy way to make passive income in your sleep. There's been a steep rise in demand for digital planners, and after getting set up, I made passive income quickly. Okay, there you go. So yeah, people are buying them, I guess. There's a lot of growth, and this is a market that I'm not currently in, but I'm looking at getting into. So the reason for shooting this video is to show you guys some of the different markets that are out there and some of the different products. And what I'm probably going to do is just buy a few of these and actually open them up. So if you want me to go ahead and purchase, say, this one or any one, post a link in the comments, or just let me know in the comments if you want to see me buy one and go through it and then explain how I would create my own, because I'm pretty tech savvy. I think I could do this. I think I could crack it. Even if I can't do it, I know I could outsource it and get it listed on my store. I think it's a market that can't be ignored, and I think it's one that I'm definitely going to be hopping into. So let me know in the comments, do you want to see me buy one of these and go through it and explain how I would create my own? Just let me know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.